So for the lash removal, you need to make sure that you lift the couch slightly if your couch lifts. If not, pop a pillow and then raise the head up slightly. The first thing you need to do, get your mascara brush, your spoolie, and just give the lashes a little brush, like that. Then you get your gel remover, any gel remover, as long as it removes your lashes. Pop it on the end of your cotton bud or Q-tip. One goes underneath and one goes on top, and then you are placing that where you have your glue, like so. You cover all of the lashes. When that dissolves and eats away at that glue, you then can roll it and take all your lashes off. This takes about a good 5 minutes to actually dissolve the glue. So when you've removed all of the lashes and you've taken them all out, if it doesn't come off when you roll like this, you put more glue remover on. When all the lashes are out, you then get your cotton wool circles, wet them, bowl of water, wring it out, nice warm water, not too cold. And then you go to your client and you wipe over the lashes to remove the excess glue. Same with the other side. And then you get a new cotton wool circles. You put a tissue to the side. You tilt the head to the side. You get enough water that you can drip in the corner here, and you drip and ask them to blink. As they're blinking, it is flushing the eye out and removing any excess glue remover or glue. And you do that same on the other side, new tissue, new circle. Once you've done that, you get your tissue and you dab that dry, turn it over to the other side and dab that side dry. And that's how you remove your lashes.